Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a minute. Charlie, life has been lifing. A lot of times I have some women friends asking me how to eat more nutritious, how to eat lighter, to feel good, and basically a woman in her 40s, how can they improve on their health through the food that they eat every day? And for me, it's basically cooking more wholesomely. So using fresh organic produce and also ensuring that I incorporate lots of proteins in my meals like smoked tuna, tilapia, grouper, etc. And then of course my greens. I don't know why Ghanaians we don't like greens like that. I mean, what's going on? Or rather, should I say we in the south? Because I know in the north they really love their greens. So yes, for me, adding greens and proteins to whatever dish I make, it's really important and critical. And it's something that I always tell them, look, add some broccoli, some bok choy, some boko boko to whatever dish that you're preparing. And honestly, it boosts your hormone levels. It makes you feel stronger, and you heal more quickly. Your body just simply loves all the nutrients and vitamins that are in greens. You just need to know how to cook them. And this recipe, the smoked tuna and broccoli, it's exactly a recipe that you need. It's exactly what you need to feel more lighter and eat healthier. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. The recipe is right below in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye.